Are you passionate about fashion and the environment? What if you could build a brand that helps the planet and your wallet at the same time? Circular fashion is more than just a trend. It's a movement. From upcycling and resale to sustainable sourcing, this business model is disrupting the traditional fashion industry in India. Consumers today want style with substance, and that's where you come in. India is at the cusp of a green fashion revolution, and now is the perfect time to start a circular fashion business in India that stands for impact, innovation, and sustainability. In this video, we'll walk you through target audience, market research and analysis with market size and growth data, marketing and sales strategy, financial planning, costing and profit margin, funding and investment options, company incorporation and legal requirements, supporting documents required, how we, Market Research Universe. MRU can help stick around till the end. We're covering everything you need to start your circular fashion business in India the right way. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU. We'll explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. Let's start with your ideal customers. Circular fashion is gaining huge momentum among urban millennials and Gen Z, eco-conscious consumers who demand sustainable choices, fashion lovers interested in thrift, rental or upcycled wear, and even export markets like Europe and North America. The Indian circular fashion market is worth $7.56 billion in 2025 and is growing at a healthy 8% CAGR till 2030. Key trends: rise of thrift platforms, rental fashion and online resale stores, government initiatives like extended producer responsibility (EPR) in textiles, growing demand for biodegradable, recyclable and upcycled products, increasing adoption of closed-loop manufacturing and textile recycling. Competitor landscape: Refash, Redress, Kiabza, and other resale or upcycled fashion platforms are gaining traction. High interest from luxury and D2C brands adopting sustainable models. Significant potential in Tier 1 and emerging Tier 2 cities. Your brand must speak the language of purpose. Focus on: position your brand around sustainability, transparency, and uniqueness. Use certifications like GOTS, Ecotex, or Fair Trade to build credibility sales channels. E-commerce platforms: Shopify, Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra for circular brands. Your own D2C website with sustainability storytelling, social commerce, Instagram shops, WhatsApp business, pop-up stores, and sustainable fashion events. Don't just sell clothes, sell a lifestyle your customers are proud to support. Wondering what it costs to start? Here's a rough breakdown. Initial setup costs: approx. INR 15-25 lakhs. Raw material sourcing, organic recycled fabrics, rupees 4-6 lakhs. Manufacturing and upcycling equipment, rupees 5-8 lakhs. Tech stack, e-commerce, CRM, etc., rupees 1-2 lakhs. Legal, branding and documentation, rupees 1.52 lakhs. Marketing and promotions, initial 6 months, rupees 3-5 lakhs. Ongoing costs, operational costs, staff, rent, logistics, inventory management, returns and repairs if resale or rental model is involved. Average gross profit margins in circular fashion are 35%, 55%. Upcycled and designer products can go up to 70% plus break, even expected within 18-24 months with a scalable model. You don't have to do it alone. Here's how you can fund your business. Bootstrap with personal funds. Apply for Startup India or SciDBI support. Attract green investors or impact funds. Explore fashion-focused incubators like Fashion for Good. Now let's make it official. Register your company as a private limited company or LLP. Then complete Mandatory registrations, GST registration UDYAM, MSME, registration Import-Export Code, IEC. If planning exports, trademark registration for Brand Protection Pollution Control Board, NOC, for recycling units or textile processing. Protect your brand and make it investment ready from day one. Be ready with your identity and address proof of founders, MOA and AOA, for PVD Limited, partnership deed or LLP agreement, utility bill and rental agreement for office factory, financial projections and business plan, sustainability compliance declarations, if applicable. Also keep sustainability compliance declarations handy. Building a circular fashion business isn't easy, but with Market Research Universe, MRU, you don't have to do it alone. Our services include real-time market research reports, market feasibility reports, investor-ready business plans, customized go-to-market strategies, competitive landscape and pricing intelligence forecast, models and investment benchmarks, investor-ready pitch decks, business registration support. From research to registration, we help you turn your green idea into a profitable reality.
Every great success story begins with a vision. But what if you had a roadmap to turn that vision into reality? Introducing MRU Navigator for Business Planning, your go-to-market platform for startup business planning, real-time startup market trends, forecasts, competitors, opportunity, and business niche tracking. Imagine this. You're standing at the starting line of your business journey. What if you already knew where the hurdles were? What if you had a strategy before you even took your first step? That's exactly what MRU Navigator for Business Planning does. It gives you a clear, data-driven roadmap to navigate the startup world with confidence. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, MRU Navigator gives you the power of foresight with business plan reports and templates, ready to use, professionally designed to fast-track your startup journey, real-time market trends, dashboard, stay ahead of industry shifts and make informed decisions, competitor and opportunity analysis, identify gaps, analyze competition, and uncover hidden opportunities, business niche tracking, spot emerging trends before they explode into the mainstream. Your success isn't a matter of chance, it's a matter of the right plan. Let MRU Navigator for Business Planning be the launchpad to your entrepreneurial dream. Your startup's journey begins with the right plan. Start with MRU Navigator for Business Planning for real-time market trends, opportunities, and business niche tracking. So what are you waiting for? Sign up your free account today.